doing? How is everybody doing? Happy New Year. This is my first video of the year. Yes, and I promise to bring more videos at least once every week. So if there's anything you'd like me to do a video about, please leave a comment below and I would do it. So today I was just going to be talking about fashion. So a lot of people ask, how do you combine outfits? So there are people that, dressing up comes very easily to them. It's very easy. They just throw on things and then it works, especially bloggers and influencers. Yes, we still get it wrong sometimes, but yeah, most of the times we get it right. So if you're struggling a bit, on combining outfits and making it match and just making your outfit stand out, I've got 5 tips for you. Tip number 1 is try to stay with 2 colors. You cannot go wrong with 2 colors. If you want to add a touch of color to your outfit, I'll just add one more color. So do a white and a brown, for example, or a black and a brown, or just 2 colors. I always say don't do more than 2 colors if you are trying to find your style. Don't go color blocking and wearing 4 or 5 colors. You're just going to look crazy. So if you're trying to find your style, stick with 2 colors. So you can wear one color from head to toe, maybe white from head to toe, accessorize with a black, or accessorize with a brown, or any other color, but leave it as 2. Secondly, stick with easy styling. So for example, jeans and a top, you can't go wrong with that. Jeans, tank top, throw on a jacket. You cannot go wrong with that. Don't try to do complicated styles until you know your style, until you are comfortable dressing up, until you're comfortable in your style. I would say my second advice would be to just stick with the easy style. If you like jeans, wear a pair of jeans, wear a tank top and then just throw on a jacket, whatever it is, a nice jacket on top of it. If you're not a jeans person like me, I am not a jeans person. I do wear jeans once in a while, but it's just it conveniences me. I just feel it's too tight for my body. So I prefer skirts. So I do maxi skirts, I do pencil skirts, or trousers, pant trousers. And the way I style these is, I wear like a bodysuit inside, just tuck it in, pin it down, put on one of my blazer jackets, and it just looks so nice. So I've put some photos on the screen for you guys to to have a look and just see what I'm talking about. Number 3 is accessorize. So accessories, I always say accessories does a lot to your outfit. You can literally wear pajamas and put on an expensive handbag or an expensive shoe, and you look very well dressed. That is just the truth. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. That is just the truth. So invest in key pieces. Invest in, you don't need to break the bank, but just invest in key accessories. Good handbags, good necklaces, good shoes, Italian shoes. Invest in good accessories. You can never go wrong with good accessories. You may be struggling to put on an outfit. Whatever you're able to put on, just throw on your MS bag, or your Louis Vuitton bag, or your Chanel bag, or just just throw on one of your good accessories and you're good to go. you know, and it just makes your outfit stand out. It gives you this classy vibe. It gives you this boss babe vibe. You know, it just makes your outfit stand out. So yes, invest in good accessories. You know, don't break the bank if you cannot afford to buy brand new. I did a video, I'm going to put a link down below, where you can buy pre-owned items. Go to Verstier, go to Real, go to, you know, there. I'll put my video, a link to my previous video down below, where you can buy good accessories. That's number 4 is confidence. You know, no matter what you wear, no matter how good you look, no matter, you know, how much you're wearing on your body from head to toe, no matter how much investment pieces you buy and you wear, if you don't have the confidence to pull it off, it's going to look tacky. You're going to look, you know, it just won't look good. Sorry to say, but it just won't look good. So confidence, wear your confidence the way you wear your outfit. You know, wear your confidence on your sleeves the way you wear your outfit. No matter what you're wearing. Sometimes you see people just put on, you know, like a tracksuit. And you're like, oh my God, she looks so dressed. She looks so fabulous. Why? Because she has confidence, and the confidence radiates through her outfit. Whereas you will see somebody wearing an outfit worth probably 20,000 pounds from head to toe, including her handbag, her shoes, her dress, and everything, and there is zero confidence. And then you just look at this person and you're like, there's something just not right. You know, you just look at this person. Oh, that's my baby in the background. He wants me to hold him, so I'm just going to pick him up. Hi, darling. You want to join my video? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Say hello. Say hello, everyone. Say, my name is Louie. My name is Louie, and I'm joining Mommy's video to talk about fashion. Yeah? Mwah. All right, so where did I stop? Yes, confidence. Wear your confidence. You know, whatever you're wearing, make sure you've got confidence. You know, it's not easy. Yes, especially for the young ones, you know, those in uni, secondary school, you know, those just starting out and learning about themselves and learning about their style. It's not easy, but you can do it. You can do it. You look at yourself and tell yourself, I am beautiful. When you finish dressing, stand in the mirror, tell yourself, I'm beautiful, I'm confident, I am going to walk out with my head held high and step out to go achieve your goals. So that's my first. Find your style. You know, try to find what you love. Don't wear something because an influencer is wearing it. Don't wear something because you saw it on Instagram, you know, and you want to wear it. Everybody has their unique style. So find your unique style. What do you like? What do you feel confident in? What, you know, do you wear that just lights up your face, that just gives you that boom, you know, just gives you that, you know, that confidence, you know, that is your style. Anything you wear that you feel happy inside and outside, you feel confident inside and outside, that is your style. So find your style. It takes time, and styles evolve as the years goes by. You know, my style has changed so much over the years. So much. I used to be like, I don't even know. In fact, if I show you my style from probably 10 years, even 5 years, you know, 5 years ago, you will probably, you're gonna scream. You'll be like, what? Is that Ivy? Yes, it's Ivy. But my style has changed, and your style do change over the years, and that's growth. As you're growing, you start to like different things, you know, from what you previously liked. As you're growing, you probably want to cover more. You know, you want to do sexy, you know, but stylish at the same time. You want to do sexy, you know, but covered. You know, as you're growing up, you want to do classy. Your style evolves as you grow. So find your style, find something that, you know, tickles your fancy. Find something that you love to wear and stick with it. Buy pieces of those things. You know, you when you know your style, when you're shopping, you know what to go for. You know the shops to go for. You just know that this is a store that sells what I like. You know, this is what I want to buy. I'm not going to buy that just because, you know, so many influencers are posting it on social media, because that's not me. You know, and it helps you save money. It helps you save money. It helps you save time, you know, and yeah, it just works with you because that's your personal style. So guys, that is my 5 tips of finding the perfect style for yourself. I hope you like this video. If you want more tips, let me know and I can do another 5 tips. And yes, if you want more videos regarding, you know, topics like this, leave me a comment. I'm trying to grow. So guys, follow me, hit the subscribe button. Say yeah, Louis. Say hit the subscribe button. Follow mommy. He's laughing. Yeah, so hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Have a lovely week.